This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com/psychetruth.
Hi friends, Ambry here with Love Body Health and Fitness Coaching. Today we're going to be going over a full body sculpt cardio workout. So get ready to raise that heart rate and burn some calories with me. Stay tuned to the end of the video for one of my weight loss tips. To get started, we're going to just be warming up the body. I just want feet wide on the mat. We're going to again go into a squat, knees out, sit those hips back, bring our arms down and move them up. We're just getting blood flowing through our full body right here. Nice and easy. As we come up, our abs are extending. You can even come up and squeeze the glutes. Good. Nice and easy. Sit those hips back, knees out. Awesome. 2 more. And last one. Awesome. We're going to be taking it over to our left leg and we're going to be twisting our upper body down and towards it. We're going to go ahead and twist. Keep that back in alignment. We don't want you crunching and bending it down too much. And we're going to be just extending up and away. Nice and slow. Let's get the movement down. Great. I am already feeling the burn. And extend. Move in towards that knee and extend. You can make this more difficult if you'd like by coming down and then lifting the leg, squeezing the glute, and coming back down on that. Awesome. You can just keep it planted on the floor if you'd like. Great. 4 more. Down. 3. Down. 2. Down. 1. Awesome. Pulse here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it over to the other leg. We're gonna position that foot so it's straight on. We're gonna crunch down towards it and extend. Awesome. Remember, keep that body in alignment. I want that torso to be straight. Make sure not to curl it in. Keeping your back protected. Extend. Now I'm gonna lift my leg here, bring it back down. Awesome. You can just keep that foot on the floor if you'd like. Whatever's better for you. Make sure you're getting that heart rate up, okay? We wanna burn as many calories as we can during this workout. Awesome. 2 more. Last one. We're gonna come down, keep it low. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're gonna bring it onto the mat. I'm on some push-up position. Let me show you the movement. We're kicking out, we're punching back in, getting that back activated. I have my obliques activated right now, and we're gonna bring it back. Awesome. Kick out and bring it back. Great job. Get into the movement. You got this. It might take a while for you to get that balance down. That's okay. And kick. And punch. Great. Oh, I love this one. This is great for the core. This is great for your shoulders. Your whole body is gonna start burning, guys. You're not only burning calories by getting that heart rate elevated, you're also making that body super toned. 2 more. Last one. Awesome. Just gonna do child's pose stretch. It's my favorite stretch. Now we're gonna bring it back over to the other side. So getting set up in our push-up position. Here we go. Let's kick out and pull that arm back in to our side. This movement requires a lot of balance, which means it's really amazing for the core. If you wanted to add in and make it harder, do a little push-up in between. I'm gonna add mine here. We're gonna power through these. You got this. Just a baby push-up. Awesome. 3, push-up. 2, push-up. 1, push-up. Awesome job. Come back down into child's pose for a moment. We're gonna head into mountain climbers now. If you need more of a rest, go ahead, pause the video, get some water. Otherwise, join me as I do mountain climbers. We're gonna come back up to the mat. I'm gonna put myself in push-up position again. Make sure my back is in alignment. My neck isn't bent up. down. We're gonna keep it nice center with our back, and we're just gonna move our legs in. This is gonna be crunching and flexing the abs. And I'm just gonna touch my toes as far as I can to the top of the mat. My legs are coming up towards my chest. Awesome, extend those legs all the way. Great job. I love these for abs. Your core is gonna be looking awesome after this. All right, now we're gonna flip on over to our backs. Great job with that workout. Take a little breather here if you need to. We're gonna be laying down, and I like to call these crunch jabs. So we're gonna come up, crunch across, bring it back down. Nice. A little punch here, come back down. You can go as fast or as slow as you want with these. I'm gonna go fast right here if you wanna follow along with me. Let's bring it up. Come back down. Punch across. Really get those obliques working in here. Great job, guys. You're gonna really thank yourself after you do this workout. It really doesn't take much to burn some awesome calories and get that body feeling a little toned all over. All right, now 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Awesome job. All right, we're gonna bring it on back to that plank position. Hands up right below your shoulders. And we're gonna be coming and doing heel touches. I'm gonna come back and touch my opposite leg, bring it up, widen the legs to really get those obliques working. And we're just gonna lift our glutes up and touch the opposite leg. Awesome. Nice. You got this. We're at the end of the workout. Let's push through. Great job. You're gonna feel those shoulders burning. I love it. And touch. Awesome. We're gonna bring it low. Really get those chests working too. Bring it lower this time. Awesome. 3, 2, bring it low. 1, I want you to bring it down, and 3, 2, 1. We're gonna walk those hands now to our feet. Awesome. We're about to do some inchworm burpees. I love these. They're great for the chest. They're great for tightening those hamstrings and calves and the core. Amazing workout to finish on. We're gonna jump up and we're gonna walk our hands out to the mat. Try to keep those feet in contact. We're walking out as far as we can. Push up if you want here, you don't have to. And we're gonna try to plant our soles down to the mat as we walk up. Really feel the stretch along your legs. I want you to jump. We're gonna get those heart rates up, get the most out of this. This is the last move that we have here, y'all. Really thank yourself for doing an amazing job today, getting those heart rates up. Your heart, your body, and your mind will love you. Normally after I work out, I have so much mental clarity. It really just resets my whole mood. And out, little push up. Bring it back. Really feel the stretch along the back of your legs. If you want to get that heart rate up even more, you can do this faster. It's all up to you. Again, what you get out of this workout is what you put into it. Speed round. Last 3. Let's go fast. Out, down, back up, jump, down. Walk those hands out. Push up, back in, jump. Last one. Down, push up, bring it back in, jump. Awesome job. I know cardio workouts are never fun, right? It's doing work, and that's what a workout is, and putting in work. But if you're gonna take 10 minutes to do anything, make sure you're doing something your body will thank you for. Look, it's already over with. Great job. Really give yourselves a pat on the back, round of applause. Make sure to do your stretches after this workout. For my weight loss tip of the day, to say be mindful to what you're drinking. Calories are still in drinks. Just because they're liquid doesn't mean they don't count. I know it's unfortunate. I love to drink water sweetened with natural fruits, One of my favorites is mint, cucumber, and lime. It's so refreshing. You can put grapefruit in there. You can squeeze some oranges in there and lemons, and you're giving your body those added detox benefits when you drink them too. Any kind of sugar-sweetened beverages, which also include sports drinks like Gatorade, can be really harmful to you. Imagine you're drinking 20 grams of sugar after your workout, and then you're eating more carbohydrates on top of that. Your blood sugar is going to go through the roof, insulin's going to be released, and then it's going to drop super low. As a result, you're going to crave even more sugar and carbs that are going to get your levels back to normal. This turns into an endless yo-yo, which is why we see type 2 diabetes on the rise. Unfortunately, there's something you can do to prevent this and help. Just grab a water, grab an unsweetened tea, or any kind of herbal teas, which I love because they also have added benefits along with them. If you want to check out some of my favorites, head over to my site, lovebodycoaching.com. Look through my blog articles on there. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.
Many of our subscribers don't see our videos. Make sure that you click the notification bell. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration.
Wellness Plus is available on Amazon, which you can stream from your home on your phone, tablet, or TV. Join Wellness Plus today and get your first 7 days free.